In this module, we're going to take a deeper look into winter tires regarding safety, benefits, and pricing. There are multiple factors one must consider when trying to find the right winter tires for a vehicle. When purchasing winter tires, it is recommended to purchase 4 tires. This way, you have traction on all 4 corners of the vehicle. However, in the province of Quebec, it is mandatory to purchase 4 winter tires. If only 2 winter tires are placed on the front axle, the additional grip and traction in front, combined with the lesser grip in the rear, will cause oversteering, which means the rear end of the vehicle will spin out. Similarly, if winter tires are placed on the rear axle only, the lack of grip in front will cause the vehicle to understeer, meaning when braking or turning, the vehicle will keep going straight ahead. In order to determine if a tire is approved for winter, there must be the 3PMS, 3 Peak Mountain Snowflake symbol on the sidewall of the tire. Tire sipes. On winter tires, you'll see cut lines in the tread block. These are called sipes, which help with traction on snow and ice. There are 2 types of sipes, 2D and 3D. When there are 2D sipes, the tread block bends as far as it can before it comes in contact with the road surface. These are often found in economical and mid-range tires. When there are 3D sipes, the interlocking technology, the tread block bends and locks into place, giving better traction on snow and ice. These are often found on high-end tires. It's important to find the right winter tires for the customer's application. In order to do so, there are a series of questions we should ask the customer to better understand the application and need. When looking at the prices of winter tires, they can be categorized within one of 3 levels: economical, mid-range, and high-end. An economical winter tire has entry-level pricing, standard traction, 2D sipes, and typically can be studdable. Mid-range tires have improvements in the rubber compound. They'll have either 2D or 3D sipes. Sometimes when there are 2D sipes on the tire, the bend will only go halfway, which means that when the tire wears down over time, the sipes disappear, leaving the tread block plain. This tire provides improved ice traction, snow traction, handling, durability, and can be studdable. High-end tires have the best performance on snow and ice. They have an advanced tread technology, providing superior traction, come with 3D sipes and full tread depth, which means that as the tire wears down, there is still traction on ice and snow. Also, you'll notice more sipes. The more sipes, the better the traction the tire will have in winter conditions. This tire is not studdable. It's important to check the air pressure in the tires once a month in the winter because for every 5 degrees Celsius change in temperature, the air pressure can drop 1 to 2 psi. With the various changes in temperature during the winter, checking the tire air pressure regularly will help increase the tire's tread life, handling, and traction. The last component of winter tires is the tread types that are available. Please refer to the module Winter Tires Tread Types.